Namaste students, how are you all? Yes, I hope you are fine. Today we are going to see about class 5 Maths Unit 1 Geometry. Okay, fine. Now take book page number 1. See, first we have to recall here what are they? Point, line segment and ray. Okay, I am going to explain here. You have to listen. What is point? Yes, already we know that. A point is an exact position, isn't it? Exact position on a plane surface. On a plane surface in an exact position. So this is called what? Point, isn't it? Next one, line. Okay? A line is a set of points in a straight path that extends in opposite directions without ending. Opposite directions and without ending. Without ending la poite irukom. So this is called what? Line. Next one, line segment. In line, what is mean by line? Opposite directions without ending. So this is called what? Line. We have to draw the line here. So I have to put the marker, point. So a line segment is a part of line between two endpoints. So okay, this is A, this is B means, so this is called what? Line segment. Can you understand what I am saying? Listen, a line segment is a part of line between two endpoints. The two endpoints. So this is called what? Line segment. Next one what? Ray. What is ray? Listen, a ray is a part of line. A ray is a part of line that has one end point and extends in one directions without ending. Okay, idukku vandu enna without ending. Okay, so this is called ray. Okay, so once again I can recall point, line segment and ray. First one, see, a point is an exact position on a plane surface. So this is called line. Next one, point. Next one, line. A line is a set of points. So point is occur in this line. It's a set of points in a straight path. In a straight path that extends in opposite directions. Directions like opposite. So without ending. Ending illama deep poite irukum. Next one, line segment. A line segment is a part of line between two endpoints. Line, we have to put the point here AB. So this is called what? Line segment. Last one, ray. A ray is a part of line. Part of line that has one end point and extends in one direction without ending. One directions without ending. So this is called what? Ray. Okay. Okay students. Okay, fine. Shall I rough the board? Yes. What is next one? Types of angle. What? Types of angles. Already we learnt in first term. Okay, what is mean by zero angle? Zero angle is nothing but another straight way. So likewise this D ponadla, what is that? That is zero angle in your book also. Next one what? Acute angle. Next one acute angle. First I am going to take the 2 scale here. See, listen. What is that scale? No, 2 scales. So first one acute angle. What is mean by acute angle? Yes, below 90 degree. No, so it is closer. The both scales in the scales close means that is called what? Acute angle. Acute angle. Next one, that is below 90 degree. Okay, next one obtuse angle. Obtuse angles means what? Above 90 degree. Isn't it? அப்போ இந்த ஸ்கேல்ல இருந்து இது ஃபர்தரா இருக்கா தூரமா இருக்கா க்ளோஸா இல்லாம அப்ப இந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு அப்படினா இது நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இந்த மாதிரி likewise. So that is called what? Obtuse angle. Okay, next one L shape or Tana shape னு சொல்லுவோம் ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? So L shape means that is called what angle? Right angle. Straight angle means both scales are the straight. So this is called what? Straight angle, isn't it? Okay, first one. It is zero angle. Zero angle. Next one what? So this is called what? Acute angle. AC. UT, acute angle. And third one, right angle. The L shape, no. So this is called what? Right angle. Right angle. And fourth one, obtuse angle. Fourth one what? Furthest. The scale is furthest. That is called what? Obtuse angle. It is straight angle. What? 180 is equal to 180 degree. Okay students, fine. Once again I am going to recall here types of angle. This lesson is already learnt in first term also. Once again we have to learn here. What is that? Zero angle is nothing but in straight way, that is called what? Zero angle. Next one, acute angle. Less than 90 degree or below 90 degree. That is called what? Acute angle. Already I show the scale itself. Next one, right angle. What? The L shape. That is called what? Right angle. It is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Then obtuse angle means what? Above 90 degree. So obtuse angle between 90 degree and 180. அப்ப என்னதா இருக்கும்? Above 90 degree தான். Next one, straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay students, understand? Okay, shall we move for next one? Fine. Okay, now take page number 2. Try this. Pick the correct alternative. First question. The shortest distance between the points C and D is shown by the segment CD or the curve CD. Which is the shortest distance in the CD? Line segment shortest or curved shortest? Which is correct one? The segment CD. You have to pick the first one, first option. Second one, the line PQ and the line QP, isn't it? Represent different lines or same line? சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். ஏன்னா டைரக்ஷன்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு என்ன கொடுத்துட்டாங்க? ஆப்போசிட் டைரக்ஷன்ஸ்ல இருக்கு. அப்ப PQ and QP represent என்ன? Same line or different lines are? Yes, different lines. You have to put first one, different lines. Next, third one, point C lies on the ray AB or ray BD. Appo C, you have to must listen. C, the C is lie between AB கிட்ட இருக்கா BD கிட்ட இருக்கா? Absolutely எங்க இருக்கு? அப்ப AB. AB க்கு சென்ட்ரலா தான் C இருக்கு. அப்போ ray AB is the correct answer. Next one, fourth one, segment MN has infinite or finite length. Yes, which is correct answer? Can you guess and tell? I will give 1 minute. You think and tell. Segment அப்படினாலே absolutely that is என்ன வரும்? Finite length தான். Line தான் infinite, isn't it? So finite length, finite length. And fifth one, ray RT is a part or is not a part of the line here. So which is the correct answer? RT is a part. Okay, yeah. And the TR அப்படின்ற ஒரு லைன் பார்ட்ல வந்து என்னது? RT is a part தான். Okay. Next one, second question you have to write it. First one what? That is very easy, no? L shape. L shape means Already we know that. So first one, second one, third one, fourth one, that is homework for you children. You do and come. If you finished means you have to post the WhatsApp group. Next one, angles, complementary angles and supplementary angles. What is meant by complementary angles? When sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, pair of angles are called complementary angle. When add the two angles, if we get the answer is 90 degree means that is called what? Complementary angle. Listen. Complementary angles. Complementary angles nave உங்களுக்கு என்ன ரிமைனிங் வந்துறணும்? ரிமைண்ட் வந்துறணும் 90 டிகிரி ஞாபகத்துக்கு வந்துறணும். சரியா? அப்ப ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் பாருங்க. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் क्वेश्चन see. I'm going to draw the angle. First one, that is A, B, this is C. So here O, 60 degree and here 30 degree. So இது நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? ஆட் பண்ண போறோம். How to add this angle? First we have to draw the angles. Right? Here we put the name O and this name A, B, C. So here 30 degree and here 60 degree. Okay. So we are going to see the angle, write the angle. Angle AOB. Angle AOB. Next one what angle? Can you tell? Next one enna varano? Angle BOC. Angle BOC. Isn't it? So what is the angle of AOB? 30 degree. So we have to put here 30 degree and next one BOC. What 60 degree? No. So we get the answer is 30 plus 60 what? 90 degree. So that is called what? Complementary angle. When we add the two angles, two pairs of angles, we get the angle is 90 degree. So that is called what? Complementary angle. Isn't it? Next one more example. Show the book. See the book. இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? bookலயே அவங்க செப்பரேட்டா angles கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. See the book also. First one, second one. A, B, C. Here. Once again, A, B, C is the 70 degree. And what? D, E, F. I am going to write here. Listen. Second one. What? This is the angle A, B, C. Here 70 degree. And next one. Next one what? Here 20 degree. E, D, here D, E, F. Separate கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. How to find out? First one angle A, B, C. Next one angle D, E, F. Isn't it? What is the angle of A, B, C? 70 degree. What is 70 degree? And next one D, E, F is equal to 20 degree. So what is our answer here? 70 plus 20, 90 degree. Isn't it? So we get the answer is 90 degree. So that is called what? 90 degree. Okay students? Okay fine. When we add the two pairs of angles, we get the answer is 90 degree means that is called complementary angle. Next one, supplementary angles. நான் என்ன சொன்ன ஸ்டார்டிங்ல காம்ப்ளிமெண்டரி ஆங்கிள்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு 90 டிகிரி ஞாபகம் வந்துடணும்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். உடனே நீங்க ரைட் ஆங்கிள் போயிடலாம். ரைட் ஆங்கிளோட அந்த ஆங்கிள் என்னது? அதுவும் 90 டிகிரி தான். இது நம்ம ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்றது. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் சப்ளிமெண்டரி ஆங்கிள்ஸ். Supplementary angles na உங்களுக்கு என்ன ஞாபகம் வந்துறணும்? 180 degree. 180 degree. Okay students, அப்ப உங்களுக்கு 180 degree அப்போ we have to draw the straight line. Next one what here? Put extend. Center point. What is that? Here 50 degree. First we put the name. Y is that? That is what? 130 degree. So we have to draw the, find out the supplementary angles. This is the angle X, Y, Z. So this angle 50 degree and this angle what? 130 degree. First, X. First we have to find out that. What is that? X, O, Y. X, O, Y. We have to add here. Next one what? Can you tell? X, O, Z. X, O, Z. Isn't it? First, X, O, Y. What is the angle? 130 degree. I am going to write that 130 degree here. Next one, X, O, Z. What is the angle? 50 degree. I am going to write 50 degree here. So what is our answer? 0 plus 0, 0. 13 plus 5, 18. So we have to write here 18. This is called degree. So 180 degree. Okay students. Next one. Idu inga apdi da kuduthirukanga. Separate. Second one. Can you understand? Okay fine. Next one. Separate kuduthirukanga parunga. Second one la. This is called O M N. So here 80 degree. 80 degree and here what degree? 100 degree. The name is also given. E, F, G. Okay. First we are going to find the angle. First one M, O, N. We have to write the M, O, N. Next one what? E, F, G. E, F, G. E, F, G. First what is that? What is the angle? M, O, N is 80 degree and F, E, F, G is 100 degree. So 80 plus 100 what? 180 degree. Can you clear that, Kanan? Yes, once again I am going to tell. Supplementary angle nave ungalku 180 nyabagam vandirno. So angle is given, we have to find out the angle. So angle MON and next one EFG. First one MON 80 degree, EFG is 100 degree is equal to for 180 degree. How to draw the angle? First one's rough one I miss draw pandran parunga. So for example, ஒரு right angle draw பண்ணலாம். இந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுனா so we have to என்னது? First இதுக்கு ஒரு நேம் கொடுக்கணும். Okay, O A B அப்படினு கொடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா அப்ப இந்த இடத்துல உங்களுக்கு என்ன வரணும்? 90 டிகிரி வரணும். Okay, first we have to put the name. ABC தான் கொடுக்கணும்ங்கறது இல்ல. உங்களுக்கு எந்த ஆல்பபெட்ஸ்ல உங்களுக்கு லெட்டர் பிடிக்குதோ அந்த லெட்டர் ஆர்டரா கொடுத்துக்கோங்க. சரியா? Okay, fine. Shall we move for next one? Exercise sums. Listen, exercise problem. What is that exercise 1.1? Write the measures of the complementary angles of the following angles. First one what? 45 degree. அப்ப நம்ம 45 degree க்கு எப்படி வந்து complementary angle find out பண்றது? What I am telling in the beginning itself, complementary angles means 90 degree. ஞாபகத்துக்கு வரணும்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்திருக்கேனா? அப்போ what is given? 45 degree கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இல்லையா? அப்ப first one what? 45 degree. அப்போ 90 degree minus 45 degree. How much? So 10 minus 5 what? 5 here 8. அப்ப 8 minus 4 4 45 degree. 90 ல இருந்து subtraction பண்ணிருங்க எல்லாத்தையும். அதே மாதிரி தான் எல்லா சமம். Second question பாருங்க. Write the measures of the supplementary angles of the following angles. First one what? 80 degree no. The supplementary angles means நமக்கு என்ன ஞாபகத்துக்கு வந்துறணும்? 180 degree no. அப்போ what is given? 80 degree is given. So we have to Write 180 degree. Then we have to subtract the 80 degree. Subtraction பண்ணுங்க என்ன வந்துறணும் 0 degree. Here 0. 18 plus, sorry 18 minus 8 minus 8 0. Here 1. So 100 degree. Okay students, can you understand? This is the homework for you students. You have to do and come. If you finished means you have to post to the WhatsApp group itself. Next one, take page number 4. Fractals. What? Fractals. Fractals. Listen. Definition of fractals. Everyone should finger on your line. A fractal is the never-ending pattern, isn't it? Never-ending pattern that repeats itself at different scales. Different scales means என்னது? வேற அளவுகள்ல அது repeat ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும். Ending pattern. அதுக்கு என்ன இல்ல? முடிவு இல்ல. That repeats itself at a different scale. This property is called self-similarity. Self-similarity னா என்னது? Repeat ஆகும் ending இல்லாம. Although fractals are very complex, they are made by a repeating simple process தான். Simple process தான் கொஞ்சம் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸா இருக்கும். Next one, fractals are extremely complex, sometimes infinitely complex, meaning you can zoom in and find the same shape forever. Amazingly, fractal are extremely simple to make. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் இந்த fractal அப்படினா சிம்பிளா மேக் பண்ணிடலாம். What is mean by fractal na? உங்களுக்கு என்ன இருக்கும்? Same shape with different scales. ஓகேயா? இங்க பாருங்க லைட்டா சின்னதா இருக்கு. Small size triangle, next one big size, centerல big size. பட் என்னதான் different scales அளவுகள் வேற மாதிரி இருக்குது. அந்த shape வந்து சேமா தான் இருக்கு. இது எக்ஸ்டெண்ட் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு. So this is called what? Fractals. Okay? அதான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Never ending pattern that repeats itself at different scales. Okay? For example, எல்லாமே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. See that example. Zoom பண்ணி பார்த்தாலும் அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். So this is the activity for you. You have to do in your home. Project. This is project students with clay. With என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Using clay, matchstick or paper to form the fractals which you know. என்ன தெரிஞ்சுக்கிற அப்படின்றது. So you have to do in your home. Fractals. Next one, next topic is Unit 2 numbers. Unit 2 numbers. Unit 2 numbers. Listen, introduction of square numbers. Already we learnt in square numbers also in first term. See what is mean by square number? We multiplied by the same number. If one number is given means we have to multiply by the same number. That is called what? Square number. So listen, square numbers ending with 0, 1, 4, 9 or 25. So this is called what? Square number. எல்லாமே எதுல finish ஆயிருக்குது? Numbers ending with 0, 1, 4, 9 or 25. Okay, first one. What is mean by square number now? First we take one number. Square. Square means we have to put here 2. Multiply by 2 times. Multiply by 2 times. We get the answer is 1. Get the answer is 1. Next one. 2 square. 2 square means what? We have to multiply by the 2 in 2 times. So 2 2s are what? 4. 2 2s are 4. Next one what? 3 square. 3 square means what? 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. 6 6s are 36. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64 like that. 10 10s are what? 100. Isn't it students? So see the book. இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு இந்த box formatல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. See 2 square or 2 2s are 4, 3 square, 3 3s are 9, 4 square, 4 4s are 16, 5 square, 5 5s are 25. Isn't it? Next one, a square number is multiplied by the same number. Already I did this. Try this. This is the homework you have to do and come. Next page. Activity 1. count and write the number of boxes. Isn't it? You have to do and come. Next one, I could color, circle and color the square numbers. You have to circle and color the square numbers. Next one, activity 3. Let's draw and enjoy using grid sheet or graph sheet. Activity 3 and 4 and all you have to do. Next one, worksheet. First one, answer the following. That is homework for you. The square number of 2 is what? The square number of 5 is dash. This number of boxes is equal to 1 square number. What is that? And the number and then kekranga. So you have to count and tell. Fourth question. Which of the following number is square number? What is the next square number of 49? Inga enna panni paakano? Square number order wise you have to tell. Okay. Next one. You have to note it the homework. This is the page number. Homework. Book page number 2. Page number 2 la second question. 2 what? Second question. And book page number 3. Book page number 4. Activity. Book page number 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Okay students, that is very easy. Easy homework da miss kuduthirken. Without any excuse you have to do and come. If you finished your homework means post to the WhatsApp group. Okay students, every day you have to read the tables. Okay fine. Dhanyavad.